Hello, my number is 0C00312268, Kyrylo Zoroliak. This is my final year project. All this video was collected while I'm studying in the second semester. And I will tell some basics rule of the explain which I learned to avoid the repeating in the next videos and tasks. We use F2 to pull the throttle up and down, F1, F2. It depends on what you want to do. Also, we are using P for pause, Shift 8 for change the view. Also, we have a cross in the middle of the screen. We are using it for controlling our plane. We have some important mechanisms in the panel. Actually, it's our velocity, which we can see on the screen with green, yellow, and red lines. We are flying from the 80 knots per hour. Also, we are collecting some data while the flights, so we can see that in the left upper corner there is a data which changed with time. Also, in the video you can see that I'm going to the settings data and collecting data from the graphics. So there is a lot of tasks which I did. First one is vectors of the lift. Vectors of the lift is demonstrating the power which lift our aircraft. A bit later you will see it on the video because sound and video is a bit disconnected. While using the vectors, I set special settings to demonstrate the vectors. Vectors is changing while I'm changing the rotating it and can disappear and go unstabilized. In the video, we are stabilized it after the losing the stability. Also, next task is the changing of the aircraft. For the next one is arcing. And task was flying without and with landing gear to notice the difference of the velocity while flying with and without. Next task is to land the airplane. While we are flying, we can see I changed the velocity, so I press F1 for throttle, make a smaller amount of RPMs, and while we're flying, we can see in the corner it's bad C because bad quality of the program graphic, but we can see a light which demonstrating we are on the right on not right highest to landing. Landing in this case was a bit not as good as I wanted to do, but I'm still not used to control it with a mouse, so sometimes it can be very hard to land. Also, I want to say that some parts of the videos was cropped to avoid to avoid getting in the end very long video, longer than 10, 11 minutes, as you noticed. So yeah. Also, we are using plane maker to create our own flights, planes, sorry. And in explain we can change, we changed actually parameters of the wings. As a result, we get a gray 3D model, and big minus of it is very hard to control, and sometimes it can be hard to control a camera. So in the video you can see that there is some problems with control. Our task for this task with uh, uh, explain maker plane maker, to transfer the file in explain, and there we should collect the data from the different planes. Actually, all the time I'm collecting the speed and take off distance. Thank you for the watching. I hope I will get a good mark.